harvested was 150 pounds. Imagine, I weigh about 150, 155 pounds. The one I harvested, the biggest one, was 157 pounds. So the size of me, they get massive. An average one might be 10, 20, 30 pounds is not abnormal. And the beautiful thing about all three of these first crops is that most of them, you can largely set them and forget them, especially yucca or cassava. Those are drought tolerant, they don't need a lot of nutrients, and 12 months later you come back and you can have a whole survival garden. You can do your fence around your property all with yucca and yams and just have a living fence of serious calories to be able to come back to when it's needed or just when it's desired. But back to the big yam. The average one, 10, 20, 30 pounds. They're delicious. I actually prefer them over potatoes, and they are a vining species. Not an edible leaf, unlike the